A review of one Corsair Backlit computer keyboard. It is not easy to give reviews sometimes, so let me give you the backstory to this one. My best friend, who happens to be 4 months older than me, have been exchanging birthday and Christmas gifts since we were 12. That started 15 years ago. Every year has been perfect for both of us, until this year. We always open our presents prior to Christmas for many reasons, but I think it is mainly because we are guys and get too excited, like 12-year-olds. This year he wanted a new computer keyboard, one of several things on his list. I zeroed in on that. It wasn't just any keyboard, it was a Corsair Backlit soundless mechanical keyboard. As a writer, I have been using an Adesso mechanical keyboard for years, but they are expensive. My friend loves Corsair, and that is what he chose. Yeah. Now, lights in his room bother him, and we keep the computers on 24/7, although the monitors are turned off. I could not imagine him sleeping in a room lit up like a Christmas tree. I did the only natural thing. I bought him a true mechanical keyboard from a German company, and the keyboard was called Red. He got the keyboard, opened it up, and he immediately didn't like it. He said the keyboard was flimsy and wouldn't last a month. Okay, send it back. I ordered the Corsair Christmas tree keyboard he wanted. He opened it up, but was too tired to take 5 minutes to plug it in. He was happy, though. He was happy until last Saturday, December 3rd, 2016. He plugged the keyboard in. There are 2 USB plugs. The keyboard lit up like a Christmas tree, but he couldn't type on it at all. He went to the Corsair website and downloaded the updated driver. Now he can type, but the key stuck or missed letters, leaving a space for the letter, which means he was hearing the clicking before continuing. Now he didn't want it. I bought the keyboard from Amazon Co. UK, and they immediately took it back. My friend loves Corsair products, apparently more than I do. He was so unhappy that instead of getting a replacement, he decided to find another keyboard. I have seen glowing reviews of this keyboard and very few bad ones. Just keep this in mind. Buying this may have problems, but the Amazon and Corsair guarantees are great. Happy holidays to all of you. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video.